host Robin Murray, here today with Portfolio Manager Grant Engelbart. Hey, Grant.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. I want to start today by talking about corporate earnings. That season is wrapping up, so tell us what we're seeing out there.
Great place to start. It was kind of a rocky quarter for corporate earnings. At least it started off that way. At one point, corporate earnings were down almost 5% year over year, but as more results came in, we saw that rebound to positive levels. Energy companies, they exceeded their expectations, but still hurt the overall earnings number after the fall in oil prices. What we have seen that's been positive is high quality companies, which is one of our themes here. They have grew their earnings near 5% for the quarter. European companies have grown close to 8% for the quarter. So those are positive developments.
So another thing I want to talk about is volatility, which you're hearing about almost daily in market media. Is there volatility manifesting out there? And if so, where and what can we do about it?
There is volatility out there, but it's not in traditional equities, like most would think. Global equity markets have actually seen a decrease in volatility compared to their averages. But we are seeing volatility in traditional diversification tools like bonds, currencies, commodities, even real estate, have all seen elevated levels of volatility this year. Where we have not seen that is in liquid alternatives. So levels of volatility in those assets have actually come down, which is that in and of itself makes a case for investing in areas like managed futures, long short equities, hedge fund type strategies, and the like.
Another thing, finally, that we're hearing a lot about too is ETF strategists. CLS is an ETF strategist. So what does that mean exactly?
That's correct. ETF strategists are essentially any investment manager that allocates a portfolio to ETFs, or at least half the portfolio to ETFs. The space has grown to over $90 billion as of the end of last year. Tremendous growth along with the ETF market. A lot of the managers in this space and a lot of what people associate with ETF strategists is very tactical, lots of turnover, higher fees, changing risk characteristics, but that's not completely true. Over 50% of the space is actually in strategic type portfolios that aren't deeply tactical, focused on long-term capital appreciation. So CLS would be one of those type of portfolios. And we're really striving to try to be the best ETF strategist that we can be, as far as providing the most disclosure to clients, having the most verification as far as composite integrity and things of that nature.
All right, well, that's good to hear. Thanks for your insight today, Grant.
Thank you.
And that's it for this week. We'll see you again next week. Thank you for your time and trust in CLS Investments.